Christian news from English Christian Times. Boy with a big heart. 11-year-old Aaron donates pocket money for Corona aid. Ever since this coronavirus outbreak, I whisper a prayer whenever I hear the siren of an ambulance, says 11-year-old Aaron, who has cultivated a habit of saving all the pocket money he gets on various occasions and offering it to his parish, Our Lady of Assumption, in Rajaji Nagar on the feast day, August 15th, which is also his birthday. When asked if his parents motivated him to do this, he quipped, "No, I always learned from the life example of my parents and much from catechism classes too about charity." His parish priest, Father Prem Arukyanathan, says Aaron is regular to church and catechism and even received top prizes continuously at the Archdiocesan level catechism examinations. Aaron, who studies in the Jesuit-managed St. Joseph's Boys' School, has won many awards for various competitions. Smitha and Paulson and their only child never miss reciting the rosary and daily prayers at home. On August 15, 2018, he received a gift from the Archbishop in appreciation for his excellence in catechism and acts of charity. Aaron says, "This year, I gave away my collection immediately as soon as the corona pandemic broke out." He normally gives his savings on the parish feast day. When asked by the correspondent as to how much he saves in a year, he chuckles, saying, "I don't count the collection. I just hand over my saving box collection to the parish priest for helping the poor." His mother Smitha says, "We too don't know how much he saves, but it could be around rupees 2,000. But we are very happy that he has a heart for the poor and great love for the church." Aaron says he spends more than half an hour reading the Bible daily and feels very inspired and blessed. Bengaluru Archbishop Most Reverend Dr. Peter Makado conveyed his blessings upon the family and wished, "May more children grow in deep faith and a spirit of charity." News Desk, Christian Times. Christian news from English Christian Times.